Alden with short update. Yan ang gwapo pa nga ni Alden, ha. Diyan sa GMA Station ID 2024, isa sa puso ng Pilipino. Yan pa nga yung video na inilabas. Yan kanina yan sa 24 oras. Yung full video ng GMA Station ID 2024. Ito pa nga Alden Richard. The greatest achievement is being a puso. I think be a part of GMA 7 before ako nagsimula. Sumubok ako sa iba't ibang mga network and some for reason. And GMA yun una nagtiwala sa akin. So I think the only way to repay that I buy royalty and for me with the old group that I experienced in my journey as an actor. And GMA has been a big part of the end. I'm truly grateful and I'm just proud to be kapuso. Ayan po sabi ni Alden. Ito pa yung interview kay Alden.
Joy is here, tapos naglakad-lakad kami sa streets ng Hong Kong. We went back to the harbor, nandun din kami. Na-discover ko na parang actually the character of Ethan, hindi naman pala talaga siya nawala sa akin. So, ang dali ko lang siyang nabalikan. Before we fly, there will be a session with Direk Cathy, you know, just to like put us in the mood again. Diba? Kasi parang that's how we have been working together during Hello, Love, Goodbye. Ganun kami prepare ni Direk Cathy. So, meron ganun. Pero, we're both very excited for this film. Nagulat ako sa outcome. Nakulayan na siya, nalagyan ng audio, tapos na-edit ng maayos. I'm very, very proud of this project that we have. This is one of my best projects so far with GMA.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell para update. Ito po ang with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.